Okay, Tuesday, December 30th, 2025. I'm going to give you a 2-month walkthrough on the apartment. Probably help if I would unlock it. I'm waiting on deliveries. I can just tell you where we're at. So the flooring is done, finally. We had some few setbacks. Some tiles didn't stick. They came up. There was some rework. And then I had to find a different guy to do the grout. The current tile guy he needed a break, but everything got done, so you can see here, got the floors done, the tile floors. It's a little secret, when you're cleaning the grout, I did that myself, clean the grout off the tiles, save a little money, is mix some vinegar with the water and it dissolves all that grit. And it just comes right up. I was able to clean all the floors myself in like less than 2 hours yesterday. And I'm starting to bring stuff back from the storage. I had everything cleared out and took on a storage unit. And now I'm just waiting for stuff to get delivered. Today a water heater's coming. The bathroom cabinets are coming. Kitchen cabinets will be coming in like 2 weeks. So now it's just going to slow down a little bit and wait for all this stuff to get here. And then I got to call the tradesmen, masters, or whatever you want to call them, contractors back to put it all together. So yeah, we have here. So yeah, the tile flooring definitely will make a difference. A lot easier to maintain. A lot less problem with bugs and all that. We need to put a plywood wall there, like a 1/4-inch plywood wall to cover up all this plumbing. And have an access panel. That's another mini project. So now there's gonna be a lot of mini projects. We gotta, put the bathroom together. I'm waiting for the toilet actually to come too. There's a lot of, buying a toilet is not so easy. They come in a lot of varieties, elongated bowl, standard height, comfort height, the setback, whether it's a 12-inch rough in or, 15, I don't know. It's like a lot of things you have to look up and really be sure what you're ordering, but I got that all sorted. Down here in the bathroom, I got some tiles to, use this same tile to make a border. Got it 4 inches, and we'll just make a border here along this wall. And now it's just it's less physical work. I would say the first half of this project was a lot of just brute physical strength. There was definitely a lot of thinking, a lot of small decisions that had to be made. Let me just show you here. So I got the pan. This delivery came today, the pan for the water heater. But yeah, it's just all waiting and then contracting the guys, watching what they're doing, making, and you got to make the decisions how you want stuff. They're going to give you their view of life, based on their life context. And, you have to stick to your guns, like how you want things to look. Definitely will need to do some touch-up painting. There's definitely some smudges on the walls and all that, but I decided I'm going to keep this wall white instead of painting it blue. There's just the light here, you need as much, it's not a big place, so blue would just turn it dark. And then, like I said, the kitchen is going to go in here. Going to keep the same layout for the kitchen and everything, but yeah, it's, so next thing, now I'll get the water heater in the toilet and get the bathroom up and running. Call the plumbers back and get the bathroom working. Now the doors and the trim, we don't even have doors yet. That's on the way. That's supposed to land any day. So yeah, the next 2 weeks is just going to be receiving deliveries. If I get enough stuff here, I'll start some jobs, just to, keep things moving, so, yeah. The bathroom cabinet I ordered from Wayfair, and that's another problem. A lot of stuff is getting delayed, so Wayfair said it would come in 3 days, and now it's going to be coming in the first week of January, I think next week or something. So yeah, it is. I kind of a plan for this. I knew that there's going to be some slack, so I'm just going to use this time to catch up on other things, like job hunting and what have you. But yeah, so I have to get some lights too. Yeah, I have that task already outlined, the electrical, to get the lighting and new light switches, get all these outlets updated, have this cable checked for a signal. I don't know if it got broken or not, but we're gonna have to hook up internet here. Yeah, but we got all the popcorn off. You can see big difference. Walls are white. Everything is coming along mostly according to plan. I mean, the only snag we really had, like I said, some of the tiles came up, and that might have actually been on me. I left the window open one night and the temperature dropped, and then the thin set doesn't cure right and doesn't get a bond. Because it mostly happened in this room and mostly happened along this corridor. So maybe it could have been a bad batch of thin set, or it could have been, some cooling took place and popped off a bunch of tiles, but the rest of it turned out pretty good. We had a few odd one here and there that had to be redone, but I think that, around 650 tiles were laid, so there were like, I don't know, 5 or 6 bad ones, 1%, so yeah, I guess it's gonna happen. But yeah, that's all I got. I'll get on making the videos on the steps. I just haven't had time, between doing this renovation, having a kid, and then working on some other stuff. I just haven't gotten to it, but I'll do the stepwise, how the steps go. I'm keeping pictures and everything, and so I will do it by by each step. Now the project plan has definitely changed, the sequence and the order, and stuff like the water heater and the bathroom insulation can be lumped together. The doors and the trim will be separated. I'm going to do all the trim last, after everything is in, and then have them do trim so he doesn't have to come back twice after the kitchen is in to do the trim there. I'll just do it all when, so some things are going to be broken apart, some things can be consolidated together, and you want a fluid project plan, because you see this stuff as you're moving along. You see these opportunities pop up, and it's different. It's different for every project. It depends on how your logistics go, how much renovation you're doing, how you can land the things. So you want to have some flexibility, but you should still mark everything so your work is getting done, that you don't move back in and you forgot the doors. But there are opportunities, like I say, to separate stuff or group stuff together. But still, I would keep it on a checklist as separated. But anyway, take care. See you. Bye-bye.